Do you want to experience the splendors of the best bike trails the Pacific Coast has to offer? Do you want to meet new people and forge lasting connections? Do you want to make memories? My name is Marko, and I'm the founder and team principal for Pacific Trek Biking Club, one of BC's prominent biking groups. At Pacific Trek Biking, we help to organize events for riders of all skill levels. From novice to experienced, we help to set up trail rides that suit just about everyone's needs. Regardless if you're looking to ride for a few hours or looking to spend an entire week exploring, we build adventures that suit your needs. Even if you're not sure what you want to do, our team can help build an adventure that fits the needs of you and your fellow riders. Don't worry if you don't have someone to ride with. We also organize meetups where you can interact and ride with others of similar skill levels as yourself. We want you to experience the beauty that is British Columbia and the Pacific Northwest. Join Pacific Trek Biking Club today.